Okay, I'm going to show you my 4th of July fruit salad. You can see my son got into the watermelon. First thing I'm gonna do is take my cookie cutter and push it all the way through. Well, that didn't work. Okay. The next thing I'm gonna do is cut my watermelon around my cookie cutter. Oh, sometimes the best laid plans just aren't very good. Okay, so what's happening is I think my watermelon is too soft. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now. All right, well, the concept is you go in and you take your watermelon and you cut it into stars. But since I'm Tara, and that totally failed, the next concept is we're going to cut up our chunks of watermelon. We're going to put them in our bowl. Then I have my blueberries here. And then we're going to put in my mini marshmallows. I'm going to stir it just like so. And I have a little 4th of July red, white, and blue fruit salad. Ah! Okay, I know I failed, but that still looks pretty cute, even if I do say so myself.